Hello and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the user requirements masterclass. So according to their site, they're saying, let's get real for a moment. 68% of software projects fail due to poor requirements. Teams waste countless hours in revision cycles. Stakeholders get frustrated by miscommunication. Your career growth stalls because of failed projects. Companies lose 150,000 on every failed project. But here's the game-changing truth. So they're saying the transformation you're about to experience, master the exact requirements framework used by top tech companies, complete projects 40% faster, with precise requirements gathering, cut revision cycles by 65% through better initial specifications, boost stakeholder satisfaction by 85% with clear communication, save your company 50,000 per project minimum. And then they have some reviews, testimonials, ratings. Feel free to go through them. They're saying how product owners improved backlog prioritization and enhanced communication with Scrum teams. Feel free to go through these testimonials. Then another category, how business analysts bridge the gap between stakeholders and developers by effectively eliciting, analyzing, and documenting user requirements. Feel free to go through this category of the ratings, reviews, and testimonials. And then they also have another category, how software product managers translated user requirements into actionable features, balancing user needs with technical feasibility. They also have some testimonials here, some reviews. Feel free to go through them. Then another category, how developers gained a deeper understanding of user requirements, enabling better aligned code and improved collaboration with product owners. They also have some testimonials there. And then they also have another category, how this course provided a well-structured practical learning experience to understand and apply user requirements effectively. They also have another category here of reviews and ratings. And they have some more information, your 11-hour transformation journey course curriculum. So they have the starting point, which is a demo course introduction. They have module 1, improving your communication skills, the power of good communication. Master communication skills is a key to business success. The power of asking questions, effective boundaries in agile product development, bridging the communication gap in teams, preparation for a customer meeting on software product development. And then they have the first quiz, understanding the importance of communication skills. Under module 2, they have introduction to the user requirements. They have introduction to the user requirements. They have types of requirements, business requirements, business rules, user requirements, functional requirements, information flow, diagrams or data flow, diagrams, non-functional requirements. They have external interfaces, development. They have constraints. They have clear and concise documentation, differentiating functional and non-functional requirements. And then they have a second quiz, introduction to the user requirements. They also have module 3. Under module 3, they have techniques for requirements gathering. What are the different types of users? They also have introduction to requirements activities. They have eliciting requirements, stakeholder analysis. They have brainstorming techniques. They have interview as a technique for requirements gathering. They have conducting effective interviews. They have document analysis, review focus groups. interface analysis, user observation, prototyping for requirements, elicitation, survey, questionnaire, technique. They have the third quiz, techniques for requirements gathering. And then under module 4, they have requirements prioritization. They have introduction to requirement prioritization. They have prioritization techniques, the Moscow, Kano analysis, the impact effort matrix, involving stakeholders in the prioritization process. They have requirements validation. Then they have the fourth quiz, requirement prioritization. Under Module 5, they have communicating user requirements. They have expressing requirements. They have how to write a good user story. They have acceptance criteria and acceptance testing. They have dealing with epics, a guide to use cases. They have what are wireframes, what is a storyboard, and how can you use it. They have quiz 5, communicating user requirements. Under module 6, they have requirements management. They have introduction to requirements management. They have changing requirements and controlling scope. They have managing risks in requirements gathering. They have techniques for handling scope creep. Then they have the sixth quiz, which is requirements management. Under module 7, they have tips and tricks. They have the difference between requirements and design. They have make client interactions more valuable. They have overcoming the challenges of vague client requests. And then they have the 7th quiz, tips and tricks. Under module 8, they have the agile software development process. They have introduction to user-centered design, UCD. They have universal user-centered design principles. They have product backlog refinement, requirements analysis, breaking down user stories into tasks. They have identifying required technologies. They have enhanced decision making with expert consultation. They have preparation for the development process with sprint 0, sprint execution. They have the 8th quiz, agile software development process. And then under module 9, which is conclusion, they have recap of key concepts covered in course next steps and final words. And then they have some more information why this works when everything else has failed. They're saying the old way, there is generic requirements templates, hoping stakeholders provide clear needs, endless revision cycles, frustrated teams, failed projects. Now the new way is proven requirements framework, strategic stakeholder communication, first time right specifications. They have energized teams. They have successful project delivery or they have engaged teams. The value, and they have more information on the value that you're getting today. They're saying complete requirements mastery program. They've put a dollar value, lifetime access to according to the current information that they have. Please just feel free to go through the information that they have on their site. And then they're saying understanding user requirements is an indispensable asset in software development because you understand that the thorough understanding of user needs is crucial for project success, ensuring that the final product is valuable and usable. And then they have some more information there. Just feel free to go through that information. And yeah, further information there. They have information about the guide. Feel free to go through that information as well. They're saying, look, here's the truth. You can keep struggling with unclear requirements, watch projects fail, see others get promoted, stay frustrated with stakeholder communication, or you can join a number of professionals who've mastered this game. The choice is yours, but remember, every day you wait is another day of potential project failure, missed career opportunities, team frustration, stakeholder dissatisfaction. So just feel free to go through that information as well. They have some more information here. They're saying leveraging shared knowledge and peer support for effective requirements gathering. They're saying a private community that they offer as well. Just go through all that information. They have some further information here. Just feel free to go through all that or whatever they're currently offering. Just go through all these current offers. Just feel free to go through there, through that information. They're saying how